In the previous video, you learned the process of buying a domain name for your business from GoDaddy. Now that you have a domain name for your business, the next step is to connect it to Cloudflare DNS so that we can create a layer of added security before you set up your hosting. I know it sounds a little complicated, but don't worry. In this video, I will break down the entire process into simple actionable steps that you can easily follow along. I will also provide you a step-by-step guide with screenshots that you can refer to at your own convenience and complete the process when you have time. The link will be in the description. So, are you ready? Let's go. So now that you have successfully purchased a domain name, the next step is to visit Cloudflare website. You can visit Cloudflare from the link in this presentation. I will leave this presentation in the description so you can always access it. So why do you need to go to Cloudflare? Well, Cloudflare acts as a bridge between your domain registrar and your hosting provider. And there are three benefits of having Cloudflare in between. The first thing is that Cloudflare gives you flexibility. So if tomorrow you want to change your hosting provider, you can just change the settings on Cloudflare and move it to a different hosting provider. The second benefit is that Cloudflare acts as a firewall. So it provides additional security to your website from cyber attacks and bots. The third advantage is that Cloudflare provides a free content distribution network, which gives speed to your website. So there are a lot of benefits of having Cloudflare in between. So let's move forward and visit Cloudflare website by clicking this link. So this is Cloudflare website. Once you are on this website, you have to click on Start for Free. Once you click on Start for Free, you would be taken to a simple sign up page. Here you provide your email ID, password that you want to keep, verify, and sign up. So once you have completed the sign up process, you will land on the Cloudflare dashboard. Now that you have landed on the Cloudflare dashboard, you have to click on this button which says Add a Domain. So once you click on this button, you would be asked to enter the domain name that you want to connect. So enter your domain name here. Make sure that you have selected Quick Scan for DNS records. After doing that, click on Continue. Select the free plan of Cloudflare for you and continue to activation. Cloudflare will search for all the details about your DNS and show it to you. And once that is done, it will provide you two name servers records that you have to copy. So you can see on this dashboard melina.ns.cloudflare.com and theo.ns.cloudflare.com. These are the two name servers that you have to copy and keep them on a Word document or a notepad. And after you have copied them, click on Continue. So by completing this process, you have added your domain to Cloudflare. Now we will add these name servers to your domain name registrar. Now you have to come back to your GoDaddy dashboard and click on top right hand side. You will see a drop down menu. Once you click there, go down and select My Products. You will be taken to a page where all your domain names will be visible. Click on DNS. Now click on Name Servers and change name server. Select I will use my own name servers. Now go back to your Cloudflare dashboard and copy the name server provided by them and paste it in place of name server 1. Now you have to go back to your Cloudflare dashboard again, copy the second name server, come back to GoDaddy and paste it in place of name server 2. Now you can save it and verify that you are a human. Enter the OTP and you are done. So up to now, you have purchased a domain name from your domain registrar, which is GoDaddy. Then you went on Cloudflare, you created your account there, you added your domain name to Cloudflare. Cloudflare provided you name servers. You went back to GoDaddy and you added those name servers to your GoDaddy account. Now the updation of name servers can take from a couple of hours to 24 hours or even 48 hours. So you wait for a couple of hours and then go back to your GoDaddy account. Now, once you go back to your GoDaddy account, you have to go to the top and click here. And after that, click on My Products. You will be taken to the product page where all your domain names are listed. Click here. You can see all your domain names and click on DNS. Now you will land on DNS management, check name servers, and you will see if the updated name servers are visible here, then your process is successful. Now you have to go back to your Cloudflare dashboard and go down and click on the domain that you added. And on the domain dashboard, you will see that Cloudflare is now protecting your site. Once you see this message on Cloudflare, then the process is completed on Cloudflare also. So by this way, you have successfully updated your name servers and your name servers are now pointing to Cloudflare. So we have completed step 1 and step 2 of this process. Now that you have successfully completed the entire process, I want you to keep one thing in mind. Sometimes when you update the name servers on your domain registrar, it might take a lot of time to update. Don't worry about it because there are servers spread all across the world and it takes time for the details to be updated across all the servers. It might sometimes take around 48 hours also. So you have to be patient and you can keep checking the status from time to time. One very simple way of checking the status is what's my DNS.net. I've provided the link here. When you click on this link, you would be directly taken to the page where you would be able to check the status of your name server updation. So when you land on what'smydns.net, you make sure that NS, which is name server, is selected here. And you just enter the name of the website that you have added. And then click on search. So once you click on search, this website will show you the status of your name server across all the servers in the world. As you can see, the servers where the name server is updated, you will see a green check mark in front of them. The servers where the name server is not updated, you will see a red check mark in front of them. Now you can keep checking the status on this website from time to time. And once you see a majority of these servers showing a green check mark, and you go back to your Cloudflare dashboard and you see the success message that Cloudflare is now protecting your website, then you can move forward to the next step. Well, now you know how to connect your domain from GoDaddy to Cloudflare. If you have purchased your domain name from any other domain registrar like Namecheap, the process would be similar. If you missed anything or you were not able to follow along, don't worry. You can use the link in the description of this video to access the presentation and the step-by-step guide with screenshots. Just click on the link, go through the presentation when you have time and complete the process. Now in the next video, I will show you how to buy a hosting for your website from Hostinger. If you got value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.